Hey, good morning, guys. It's a brisk morning here. The sun's coming up. We're out here on a property, looks like a lot of acreage that is slated to be torn down, I'm guessing for an upcoming development. We got word that there might be some items in this house, such as window sashes, maybe trim, and other details that we can use on our other project, the one we're doing in Clarksville, Indiana. So we're out here today to explore this house. Like I said, we did have approval to come out and dig through it and see what we can find. And we're going to see if there's anything that can be used and salvaged before this is torn down. So go ahead, walk along with us. We're going to check this place out. All right, so let's see what we've got. So apparently there have already been some people come out and do some salvage on this house. So I'm not sure what all is left that we can use. We've got some window sashes, some great trim, blue porch ceiling, love that. Got some nice tapered columns, looks like they're rotted on the bottom, not solid columns, obviously framed together. And then on the inside here, we had our two entrances. We'll just pick one to start with. Nice beadboard doors there. Not sure the story on this house or how long it's even been vacant. Looks more like things have been vandalized than necessarily salvaged. Got a nice set of pocket doors. See those there. The last set of pocket doors that we came across to take out of a house, one side had a full door on it, and then when we pulled the other side out, someone had cut a large circle in the middle of it, I think to run an exhaust fan. That was the property that we did on Eakin. So through all of our attempts to save the opening in order to be able to put the pocket doors back in on that one, obviously could not with only one of the large doors that were originally there. Looks like this has been open for a while. Looks like someone tried to shore it up. We've got some blocks down there and some posts they were putting in. Must have raised this floor at some point. Not a very large house. Back porch out that way. Had some floor issues here. Looks like they put new subfloor over all of this, trying to sturdy it up. Kitchen area. In the back, looks like we've got a restroom. Nice blue tub. Check that out. So we've got, I don't know if you can see this here. We have got our water lines are run with PVC and then a garden hose. And so if you look for the shower head, they've actually got a garden hose running all the way up to the head. Nice. All right. Oh, that went through the floor there. Check out the upstairs here in just a second. So it looks like this just takes us back around to the front where we came in at. All right, see what we got upstairs. Don't see anything living up here. That's a good sign. Looks like all the plaster had been off here years ago, if it ever even actually had plaster on it. Maybe not. Looks like they just put up all the lath strip and never even finished it. Let's come around this way, we can see a little better. Nice space up here though. So I started off with a little bit of drywall, never got to finishing anything. It looks like this would have been 3 additional rooms up here, plus this little bonus space at the top of the steps. Got the kitty litter box still there. And that is it. That's the house. So that's the grand tour of the inside. Looks about like all we've got to see here. So as always, wanted to just capture this house before it's gone forever. No one will ever remember that it was here. Doesn't look like it was anything grand, but definitely a solid house in its time, and beautiful hardwood floors. But one last look. Let's check out the outside, see what you guys think of that. Do a full walk around. All right, so we're back outside here checking out the exterior of this house. Man, look at that block foundation. It's disintegrated. You can see what we've got there. Large holes. Looks like the concrete is actually just crumbling apart. Maybe years of water and wind. See here above this doorway probably used to be an original window opening they'd enlarged and put in that double door. Nice gable upstairs. Go. So I look at a house like this, I look at the space and I look at the overall design of it, and you know, each of these windows still have the original detail above them, even over here on the side right here where the bathroom was, I believe, on the inside. You know, in a house like this, if it would have been kept up, had all the original hardwood floors, original wood siding on the exterior, it looks like it was never covered, all the original windows. Someone's put a metal roof on it at some point. I mean, this really could have been a cool house. It's on a beautiful setting. I don't know if I showed that really. Farmland all around. It's near the interstate here. I'm guessing why it's being torn down and developed. But could have been a really neat house, either saved on this spot or maybe even moved to another location. Nice back porch. It was always covered, probably screened in at some point here. So you can see the block foundation there, probably where the original back porch extended to, right there, and then they extended it on out for the remainder of the deck at some point. Look up underneath the house here. So this is where they try to do their plumbing, and that block just has disintegrated. So the exterior corner, it's got the nice quarter round beaded trim in the center of it. And then this side has another matching dormer on it as well. Really a nice looking older farmhouse. Not a ton of decorative detail on it, but man, this house has, you know, walking inside, the floors are very solid. It hasn't crumbled, besides the few places that we saw that someone's had to beef it back up again. But there you go. That's the exterior of the house. Looks like we've got a couple outbuildings we'll explore here. Pick this one first. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got a little bit of everything. Parts to leaf blowers. Old filing cabinet over here. Someone's air compressor. It's definitely not working. Someone tore apart their tool chest. Got the helmet over there. Grill to a Nissan. Got it there. Little lean-to on the side. Some more parts. Looks like this is where all the excess got thrown. Truck topper. Looks like they may have been using that for a place to keep their pets. It's full of hay on the inside, or straw on the inside there. It must have been where they let the dogs sleep inside underneath of that. And let's see what we got back here. big screen TV got left, box spring, and just a bunch of debris. This must have been the place for the dogs to sleep. Looks like hanging up over there against the wall. There's a watering bowl there too, and food bowl. Bunch of old window sashes. Does not look like those are out of this house. Those are newer, probably from the 1990s. Some great looking metal tin. If someone had a project they were wanting to reuse some old metal tin, despite the caulking it looks like they put over the nail heads, that's got some great patina on it. And neat side door with some substantial hinges on it. What do we got on the back? Let's see what we got there. And just some more stuff dumped. That's it. Bunch of tires, debris, metal, scrap. And that's it for this morning. One final look at this house. Don't know if there's anything we're going to try to get out of it or not, but want to capture it on video before it's gone forever. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks again for watching. As always, subscribe button's right there if you guys want to make sure you get notified of upcoming videos as they come out, and appreciate you keeping up. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.